Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue. If you are seeing yellow explanation mark on your Windows Defender, so how to fix that? So right click on it and simply open the its property. Just click on that option, and if any option is popping up here like disable or enable, let's say, so you can choose that option and you can even enable that option or dismiss, but in my case there is no option to dismiss that. So how to fix this issue? So sometime go to Windows Threat Protection and scan the virus. It's already recommended to scan the virus automatically on your Windows, but sometime that is the reason it give you the yellow explanation mark on your Windows. Action is recommended. So this is the first way. Okay, and now other way is to disable, and you can see here app and browser control, no action is needed, but in your case it can be disable or enable. You can dismiss it or enable that option. After that you will see your this Windows Defender is good and there is no issue with that. Okay, so this is easy fix guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.